In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect data from Google Forms into Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful when you're looking to compile and analyze responses seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. If you haven't created a form yet, take a moment to set one up. Fill it with all the questions you want to ask. Once your form is ready, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an Responses tab right next to the Questions tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the section where all your responses will be neatly gathered once people start filling out the form. Now, here's where the magic happens. Above the Responses section, you'll notice a small green Sheets icon. This icon plays a crucial role. It connects your Google form directly with Google Sheets. Go ahead and click on that icon. If you click it for the first time after creating your form, Google will prompt you to create a new spreadsheet. Confirm this by selecting Create a new spreadsheet and then hit Create. This action will automatically set up a brand new Google Sheet that is perfectly linked to your form, ensuring that every bit of data collected from now on is automatically updated in the sheet, providing you with real-time data analysis capabilities. In case you've already established a spreadsheet previously and want to connect to the same one, you'll see an option to select an existing spreadsheet instead. Choose this if you prefer all your data to flow into a pre-existing document, then hit Select. This option is fantastic for keeping all your data organized in one place. Once your spreadsheet is set up, all the responses will populate right there, alongside timestamps to ensure that you know exactly when each response was submitted. This helps immensely in tracking and organizing your data efficiently. But what if you wish to analyze or maybe tweak the collected data within the sheet? You have numerous functions at your disposal within Google Sheets that can help you with data analysis. Pivot tables, charts, and even conditional formatting are insightful tools to make the most out of your responses. Remember, consistent monitoring and frequent checking of this sheet can lead to greater insights regarding trends and patterns within your data, elevating your data management process to the next level. And there you have it. Not only do you have a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to collect data from Google Forms into Google Sheets, but you also have a seamless way to monitor, analyze, and leverage that data effectively. Thank you for watching and happy data collecting.